306 billion of Filipino people in the Philippines are in the upper class, middle class, and in lower class. Every day, every people continuously following the flow of an endless economy in the country, from the product that everyone needs or their needs and wants for their everyday lives. One question for all. Are we ready for the change?
In administration of President Duterte, he implemented the train law or tax reform for acceleration and inclusion. These laws are expecting a change and they want to eliminate the case of poverty from 21% to 14%. It means the law wants the people in our country to move on from poverty. In the year 2022, the government can see if the law is successfully implemented. If the people become more disciplined and cooperate to the development of the Philippines. In the year 2040, the government is successful in governing the law. They can eliminate the case of poverty in our country and all the people can have equal opportunity.
Under Republic Act number 10963 or Trade Law, here are some features. The first is personal income tax. Starting January 1, 2018, compensation income earners, self-employed, and professional taxpayers, except whose annual taxes incomes are 250,000 pesos or less, are exempt from the personal income tax. The next is Fringe Benefits. A final tax of 35% is imposed on the gross of monetary value of fringe benefits to the employee, except rank and the employees, by the employer, whether an individual or corporation, such as tax is payable by the employers. State tax. The rule of state tax to be paid upon the transfer of the net estate of decedent to his heir or beneficiary is fixed as 6% of the value of the state. Donor's tax. The tax payable by a donor for each calendar year is at 6% based on the total gifts in excess of 250,000 pesos. According to tax bids, the first is cigarette excise tax. The tax rates per pack of 20s on cigarettes packed by hand or by machine are 32.50 pesos from January 1 to June 30, 2018. 35 pesos from July 1, 2018 to December 31, 2019. 37.50 pesos from January 1, 2020 to December 31, 2021. And 40 pesos from January 1, 2022 and December 31, 2023. Automobile excise tax. The tax rates imposed on the importer's or manufacturer's price, net of the excise and value-added tax are hybrid vehicle and pickup truck. Tax on cosmetic procedures. The tax rate and base are 5% of the gross receipts on invasive cosmetic procedures, surgeries, and body enhancement for aesthetic purposes. Sweetened beverage tax. First is using purely caloric and pure non-caloric. Using pure high fructose corn syrup, juice drinks, and tea. Under exempt beverages, all milk products, 100% natural fruit juices, and 100% natural vegetable juices. Value-added tax or VAT exemption. The first is agriculture, health, environment, housing, electricity, industry, education and arts, and others.
Siyempre, unang-una nagtaas sila, hindi nagtaas ng sahod. Pangalawa, lahat tinataas nila ang sahod ng bilet. Tapos, puro kontrakt, walang trabaho ngayon. Wala nang regular. Kaya dapat hindi nila atin sila nagtaas sa mataas ng rate.
Mahal na nga lahat, tapos napataas nila ng rate. Kasi meron naman kasi pag pinataas nila, tapos yung iba na mga sir na nagreklamo, mahirap na nga yung buhay. Tapos yung iba mga mahirap, sabihin na mataas na yung presyo, lalo pag tataas na paano pag sila lang kikita lang yung mataas ang presyo. Pero mahirapan din sila kasi ang lahat na gano'n na pataas nila. Wala rin mag-ano. Para ba mahirap kasing ipaliwanag kasi na ano. Na sabihin nila, kunwari, asukal tumaas. Diba? Tapos syempre, gusto nilang bumili ng masarap na ulo. Hindi sila makakabili kasi talong mataas ang presyo. Pero wala naman kasi yung aprobado ng hirap kasi.
Wala naman magagawa, yung pumakas eh. Batas yan eh. Okay, kasi kwentahin mo, sumasahod ako na 5,000 a week. Ngayon, ang binibili ko sa grocery, so bumibili ko ng halagang 2,500 dati, ngayon pumapalo na ng 3,000, isa lang yung 500 na dapat magbayad na ng tubig ko.
Magtaas ang presyo lahat kasi sa mga lahat ng mga products.
Bumaba yung marketing namin.
Sinabi ko pa kanina, yung matatamis na yun.
Hindi naman sila tumaas yung bumaba. Wala rin silang magagawa, hindi kumuha kung kailan. Hindi kami tinatao kasi laging mahal. Pag kumukuha kami supplier, nagreklamo na. Oo naman. Dati sumasahod ako ng 5,000, yung wala na, 3,000 na lang. Hindi na kasya. Diba? Tubig kuryente na lang, wala pang upang. So mahal na, mahal na paninda nila. Train na pala. Dapat din sila. At dapat una nila tinaas, sahod ng tao, tinanggal ang contractual. Saka sila nag-presyo. Diba?
Bakit? Siyempre marami magkakita. Hindi naman kasi lahat. Yung iba lahat. Yung iba sangayon. Pero yung iba. Yung ibang mahihirap. Hindi na nila kaya. Hindi sila mahirapan sila.
Hindi siya nakakasumuli na. Tago nga. Yung nga lang, wala rin pa rin ang magagawa. Batas yan eh. Sumunod mo na.
Now, I've already shared all the information that's belong to the train law, and we also heard all of the opinions of the community. Now, let me leave you one and only question. Very important question. Are you ready for the change?